Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and setting regional context so results match your target market. Once done, choose a 12-month range to capture current seasonality. Type 3 to 5 seed keywords, for example vintage cat shirt, retro bike tee, and minimalist plant design, and hit compare. You want immediate signal differences. If one term spikes, note the exact months. Make sure to switch between web search and Google shopping views to see buyer intent versus general interest. Next, dive into related queries and pick rising items to catch emergent designs. Once you spot a rising query, export the CSV or copy results for reference. Toggle categories, art and design or apparel, and switch search type to shopping to measure purchase intent. You should also compare regions and subregions to find hotspots where demand concentrates. Make sure to watch for recurring seasonal peaks. Those tell you whether a design will sell steadily or only in short bursts. Finally, validate trends against marketplace listings and pricing so you don't chase a false signal. Once validated, create 3 quick mockups and launch a /B tests. Rotate colors, copy, and tags to learn which variant converts. You should monitor performance weekly and scale winners. If you find no meaningful data, broaden the time range or try broader seed keywords. Sometimes narrow phrases show zero volume. A key troubleshooting tip: if spikes disappear, check category and search type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.